Hello friends, hello students. In this video I will teach you that how you can add hyperlink formula in Microsoft Excel, so you can link any website which you want in your Microsoft Excel worksheet. You can link any website and with any text, so whenever the users who are using the worksheets, they will click on that uh, text, and the link will open in the default browser of the computer. So how you can add? Simple, you can go to the formulas, and in lookup and reference here, you can see like hyperlink. So now you can click on hyperlink, and this function arguments like hyperlink, link location, and friendly name, so creates a shortcut or jump that opens a document stored on your hard drive, a network server, or on the internet. So like we will link with the internet location. So link location, I will add one of my website like www.learneasycode.com, and the friendly name like Learn Easy Code website, for example, and then click OK. Now so you can see here like is equal to hyperlink, then bracket open, then inside the inverted commas you can see website name, then after comma again inside the inverted commas there is the link hyperlink text, and then the bracket close. So now you can see we have this, so if the user will click here, you can see the website will open in the browser. So now you can see like website is opening here and even open here. So this is the easy method. Like you can go to the formula section, and from the lookup and reference under this like hyperlink option, you can find the hyperlink formula you can add in your Excel worksheet. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn the new things. Thank you very much once again.